Are you ready to unlock the secrets of real estate investment in the vibrant Las Vegas market? In this comprehensive guide, we delve deep into the essential steps for a successful investment journey. From deciphering market dynamics to securing the right financing and sealing the deal, this knowledge empowers aspiring investors to make well-informed choices. Understanding the Las Vegas real estate market. Understanding the intricacies of Las Vegas's real estate landscape is a pivotal first step in your journey to successful real estate investment in this dynamic region. This market is a treasure trove of possibilities, featuring income properties that assure a consistent flow of returns and rental properties offering dependable income streams. Las Vegas's real estate investment spectrum is diverse, encompassing everything from residential to commercial properties, each brimming with distinctive profit potential. Familiarizing yourself with the structure of a Las Vegas real estate investment trust, REIT, can be a strategic advantage, granting you access to the real estate arena without direct ownership requirements. Gaining insights into market trends, local economic dynamics, and property valuations is paramount. When approached with precision, a thoughtfully chosen Las Vegas property can become a potent asset in your investment portfolio. And now, if you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay informed and gain access to more content like this in the future. Let's continue your journey toward real estate success together. Securing financing for your investment. Obtaining the appropriate financing solution is a pivotal step when it comes to securing your investment in Las Vegas real estate. Whether you're delving into buy-to-let properties, multifamily residences, industrial spaces, office buildings, or retail units, your choice of financing can be the linchpin of your investment success. It's imperative to engage with reputable lenders offering enticing loan options. Depending on your creditworthiness and investment strategy, you might explore the offerings of traditional banks, credit unions, or private lenders. Keep in mind that each property type may necessitate a distinct financing approach. To make an informed decision, conduct a thorough assessment of the property, market conditions, and your financial position. Working with a real estate agent. Collaborating with an experienced real estate professional who possesses an in-depth grasp of the Las Vegas real estate scene can significantly streamline and enhance your journey into investing in Las Vegas properties. This professional partnership often evolves into an indispensable element of a successful Las Vegas real estate investment strategy. A proficient agent will adeptly navigate the intricate landscape of diverse market sectors, including but not limited to hospitality properties, agricultural lands, and unique purpose real estate. They bring to the table the ability to shed light on emerging trends, pinpoint avenues for growth, and deftly manage potential risks. Their prowess in negotiating deals and overseeing contractual matters is pivotal. Harnessing the wisdom and capabilities of a Las Vegas real estate agent dedicated to investment pursuits empowers you to make astute moves in the local real estate arena, thereby maximizing your investment potential. Making an offer and closing the deal. Once you've pinpointed a potential Las Vegas real estate investment and conducted your meticulous research, the next pivotal step is crafting a compelling offer. This offer should be meticulously calculated based on market valuations, potential returns, and the current state of the property. Consider all aspects, including contingencies such as financing arrangements, inspections, and property appraisals. Upon acceptance of your offer, you'll advance to the closing phase. This stage entails the settlement of closing expenses, which could encompass escrow charges, title insurance, and property taxes. It's the point at which all legal documents are duly signed, and ownership formally changes hands. Throughout this strategic process, the expertise of a seasoned real estate attorney and a shrewd real estate agent can prove priceless. Their guidance ensures a smooth and profitable Las Vegas real estate investment journey by shepherding you through the intricacies of negotiations and closing procedures. Managing your Las Vegas investment property. Once you've successfully sealed the deal on your Las Vegas real estate investment, the subsequent crucial phase involves effective property management, a cornerstone of maintaining a steady income stream and ensuring the long-term appreciation of property value. Enlisting the services of a proficient property management firm is a savvy choice. They take charge of tenant procurement, rent collection, handling maintenance concerns, and ensuring compliance with local landlord-tenant regulations. Regular maintenance routines ensure that your property remains in peak condition, consequently enhancing its overall value. Staying attuned to the ever-changing market dynamics and adjusting rental rates accordingly is of paramount importance. Diligent record-keeping, encompassing income, expenses, lease agreements, and insurance details is instrumental for taxation and future property assessments. Efficient property management can significantly augment the results of your Las Vegas real estate investment. Frequently asked questions. Is Las Vegas a favorable destination for real estate investment within Las Vegas itself? Absolutely. Here are some compelling reasons why. Robust economy. Las Vegas boasts a diversified economy that doesn't hinge excessively on any single industry. While it is a renowned tourist hub, it also fosters a burgeoning tech sector and various other economic domains. Rapid population growth. Among American cities, Las Vegas stands out as one of the fastest growing. This growth results from a blend of factors including job opportunities, affordable housing, and an enticing lifestyle. Affordable living. Las Vegas offers a relatively budget-friendly cost of living, encompassing housing expenses. This affordability makes it an attractive destination for real estate investment, allowing landlords to offer competitive rental rates. Strong rental demand. There's a substantial demand for rental properties in Las Vegas, stemming from both tourists and residents. This demand is underpinned by the city's thriving economy, population expansion, and limited housing supply. Nevertheless, it's crucial to acknowledge that no investment comes without its share of risk. The Las Vegas real estate market follows cyclical patterns, with periods of home price fluctuations in its history. Before venturing into Las Vegas real estate investment, diligent research and a thorough understanding of the associated risks are paramount. Here are some practical tips for those considering real estate investment in Las Vegas. Target expanding localities. Seek investment opportunities in areas marked by population growth and ongoing economic development. These regions are more likely to witness property value appreciation over time. Explore turnkey properties. Consider turnkey properties, which are rental units in excellent condition and ready for occupancy. This option is especially attractive for investors lacking the time or expertise to manage rental properties themselves. Engage a property manager. If you reside outside Las Vegas or have limited time for property management, employing a professional property manager can be a wise choice. A proficient property manager can handle tenant acquisition, rent collection, and maintenance tasks. While Las Vegas holds promise as a locale for real estate investment, meticulous research and a sound understanding of the associated risks remain essential for success. How to deploy $100,000 in the realm of real estate? There are several avenues to explore. Acquire a rental property. A traditional route involves purchasing investment real estate in Las Vegas and leasing it to tenants. This method can provide a steady monthly income and foster equity growth over time. However, it's essential to recognize that being a landlord entails considerable effort and carries inherent risks, such as vacancies and property maintenance. House flipping. An alternative approach is to procure real estate in Las Vegas, refurbish it, and subsequently sell it at a profit. House flipping can yield substantial returns when executed correctly. Nevertheless, prior experience in real estate and renovation is advisable before venturing into this strategy. Invest in a real estate investment trust, REIT. REITs are entities that own and manage income-generating real estate. They are publicly traded on stock exchanges, functioning similarly to other stocks. Opting for a REIT offers a way to partake in real estate investment without the need to directly acquire and manage a property. Engage in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms permit you to participate in real estate ventures alongside fellow investors. This option allows you to invest in real estate projects with a more modest sum of money. Selecting the most suitable method for investing $100,000 in real estate hinges on your specific circumstances and investment objectives. For newcomers to real estate investment, it's prudent to seek guidance from a financial advisor before making any commitments. Here are some supplementary recommendations for those considering a $100,000 real estate investment. Conduct thorough research to familiarize yourself with the diverse categories of investment real estate in Las Vegas and the associated risks. Tailor your investment choice to align with your financial parameters, investment goals, and risk tolerance. Pursue pre-approval for a loan to ascertain the amount you can borrow and anticipate your monthly payments. Collaborate with a proficient real estate agent who can aid in pinpointing the ideal property for your needs and securing favorable terms. Devise a comprehensive plan for managing your real estate investment and generating income from it. Real estate investing has the potential to foster long-term wealth accumulation. However, it is paramount to engage in diligent research and gain an understanding of the inherent risks before committing your financial resources. How can $10,000 be wisely invested in real estate? There are multiple avenues to explore. Invest in a real estate investment trust, REIT. A strategic option is to consider real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and manage income-generating real estate. REITs are publicly traded on stock exchanges and offer an opportunity to participate in real estate investments without the responsibility of direct property management. Engage in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to collaborate with fellow investors in real estate projects. This approach facilitates investment in real estate with a more modest sum of capital. Embark on a fix and flip venture. If you are inclined toward a more hands-on approach, you can explore purchasing real estate in Las Vegas that requires repairs or renovations. After restoring the property to its optimal condition, it can be sold for a profit. It's important to note that house flipping carries both potential rewards and risks. Invest in a rental property. Another avenue involves purchasing real estate in Las Vegas and leasing it to tenants. This method can generate consistent monthly income while allowing you to accumulate equity in the property. However, being a landlord involves substantial responsibilities and inherent risks, such as tenant vacancies and property maintenance. While $10,000 may not suffice for an outright property purchase, you can still enter the real estate market indirectly through REITs, real estate crowdfunding, or fix and flip opportunities. Consider these additional pointers for your $10,000 real estate investment. Conduct comprehensive research. Gain knowledge about the various real estate investment options and the associated risks. Tailor your investment. Ensure your investment choice aligns with your financial parameters, investment objectives, and risk tolerance. Seek professional guidance. Collaborate with an experienced real estate agent who can assist in finding the right property for your goals and negotiate favorable terms. Plan strategically. Before committing to any property investment, develop a detailed plan for property management and income generation. Real estate investment in Las Vegas can be a robust means to accumulate wealth over time. Nevertheless, it is imperative to approach it with the diligence of thorough research and an understanding of the potential risks involved. How can one venture into the realm of real estate as an investment? Here's a step-by-step guide. Conduct thorough research. Begin by gaining a comprehensive understanding of the diverse types of investment real estate in Las Vegas available and the inherent risks. Take into account your financial constraints, investment objectives, and risk tolerance during this exploratory phase. Secure pre-approval for financing. To gauge your potential borrowing capacity and monthly financial commitments, it's advisable to secure pre-approval for a loan. Engage a specialized real estate agent. Seek the expertise of a real estate agent who specializes in investment properties. Their knowledge and insights can prove invaluable in identifying the most suitable investment real estate in Las Vegas that aligns with your goals and negotiating favorable terms. Initiate the purchase offer. Upon identifying a desirable investment real estate in Las Vegas, it's time to submit a purchase offer. The offer should encompass critical details such as the proposed purchase price, down payment, and any additional terms and conditions you wish to include. Finalize the purchase. If your offer is accepted, the subsequent phase involves finalizing the acquisition of the investment real estate in Las Vegas. This entails signing the requisite legal documents and covering the associated closing costs. Once you've completed the purchase, the focus shifts to effective property management and income generation. This might involve tenant rentals, property renovations for resale, or other investment strategies. Here are some supplemental insights for approaching investment real estate in Las Vegas. Emphasize growing localities. Concentrate your attention on areas that exhibit signs of population expansion and economic development. Such regions typically witness appreciation in property values over time. Consider turnkey properties. If you lack the time or expertise for hands-on property management, explore turnkey properties. These are rental properties that are already in excellent condition and primed for leasing. Engage a property manager. For investors who are geographically distant or prefer to offload management responsibilities, hiring a professional property manager is a sound choice. A capable property manager can assist in tenant recruitment, rent collection, and property maintenance. Exercise patience. It's imperative to approach real estate investing as a long-term endeavor. Rather than expecting rapid riches, prepare for a sustained wealth-building journey. Investing in real estate in Las Vegas presents an opportunity to nurture your wealth over time. Nevertheless, a comprehensive grasp of the associated risks and thorough research are crucial before committing your capital to this investment avenue. Investing in real estate in Las Vegas presents promising opportunities for profitability, but it is essential to acknowledge the associated risks and challenges before committing your resources. Here are some of the prevalent risks and challenges. Market volatility. The real estate market in Las Vegas follows a cyclical pattern and can exhibit periods of volatility. These fluctuations mean that property values can undergo substantial changes over time. As an investor, being prepared for potential market downturns is crucial. Economic dependence. Las Vegas relies heavily on the tourism and gaming industry. A decline in these sectors could have adverse consequences on the real estate market. Understanding the city's economic sensitivity is pivotal. Water scarcity. Situated in a desert environment, Las Vegas contends with water scarcity. This could result in elevated water costs and future water restrictions, which may impact property ownership. Crime rates. Compared to many major U.S. cities, Las Vegas contends with higher crime rates. This may pose challenges in renting out properties and could also lead to increased property insurance expenses. Property management. Managing rental properties can be an intensive undertaking, especially if you are located out of state. To address this challenge, investors should contemplate enlisting the services of a property manager, particularly if they lack the time or expertise to oversee their investments personally. To mitigate these potential risks and challenges, consider the following. Thorough research. Before making investment decisions in Las Vegas, conduct comprehensive research to familiarize yourself with the local market. This includes an evaluation of the property's location, condition, and current value. Select the right property. Not all investment properties in Las Vegas are equal. It's imperative to focus on properties situated in desirable areas and those in good condition. Additionally, consider the property type, such as single-family homes, multifamily properties, or commercial real estate. Loan pre-approval. Seek pre-approval for a loan, which provides insights into your borrowing capacity and anticipated monthly financial obligations. Expert real estate guidance. Collaborate with a skilled real estate agent who can assist you in identifying properties that align with your investment objectives and can effectively negotiate favorable terms. Establish a clear plan. Before acquiring investment real estate in Las Vegas, have a well-defined plan for property management and income generation. Investing in real estate can be a lucrative method for wealth accumulation over time, but comprehending the potential pitfalls and conducting thorough research is fundamental before making any financial commitments. As we wrap up this insightful discussion on real estate in Las Vegas, we hope you've gained valuable tips and tricks to navigate the world of property investments. If you found this information helpful, you might also be interested in exploring opportunities in another enticing location. Are you considering real estate in Florida? If so, you're in luck. Check out the video displayed on your screen to discover the secrets and strategies for a successful real estate journey in the Sunshine State. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next informative discussion.